So what calculation do we have to do to solve this problem?
Well,
So to figure out the probability of someone in the room having the same birthday as the other n people, or as one of the other n people.
That's right. So if we have a room full of people, what we're trying to figure out, it would be this, how about this person having the same birthday as one of these other people? But that's a very difficult problem.
yeah.
But we can try it with just do a simpler problem.
Okay, what's the simpler problem?
Maybe we could just look at if their birthday's in the same month as the other people.
Well, that's still, now you've reduced the possibilities from 365 to 12, but that's still very difficult. So you're right that we've got to figure out how to simplify this problem. But off the bat, it seems very hard.
Yeah.
Maybe the probability that two people, just like if you have two people, the probability they have the same birthday.
Okay.
Which is, if we're not counting leap years, it would be 1 in 365.
Okay. So we can do it for 2, but we have to figure out how to extend it. And there's an important idea here about simplifying the problem. So we gotta try to find that. What are some ideas that you know for approaching probability problems?
So there's usually you have to like some choosing numbers are sometimes involved.
That's right, choosing numbers are sometimes involved. So think about concepts that you know for approaching these kinds of problems. Because the problem of trying to find if this person has the same birthday as any one of these people is a very difficult problem. So
Yeah.
we have to change the problem somehow to make it easier.
You have to.
What's an easier problem? That's what we want to try to find.
Well, maybe if this person has the same birthday as all of these people.
Okay, that would be an easier problem, but that's far away from what we're trying to solve. Right? The probability that everyone has the same birthday is
It's really
going to be
low.
very low.
Yeah.
Well, a simpler problem would be, I guess, how many people do you need in a room for the probability to have the same birthday as 100%? But that doesn't really help us that much.
Yeah. Think about, so I'll give you one more hint. Think about concepts that you apply to probability problems or to counting problems.
Well, they're usually
Concepts, not we're not going to try to solve it, we're going to try to think of concepts. What are some concepts?
with counting. There's
There's like ways to count, like casework and inclusion exclusion.
Yeah?
That's how that'll help us here.
Are there any other counting techniques?
there's complementary counting.
There's complementary counting. What would be the opposite of what
So-
we're trying to count here?
It's the probability that this person doesn't have the same birthday as any of these people.
Okay. So the probability that
The
No two people in a room have the same birthday.
okay, so that everybody has a different birthday. And what's the opposite of everyone having a different birthday?
Be one or more pairs of people have the same birthday.
Okay. So at least one group, at least one pair has the same birthday. An easier thing to count is
if no one has the same birthday,
no one has the same birthday.
we can subtract that from.
Okay. All right. So let's count that.